Hi, habari ya leo. Hope you're safe, healthy. This is Recho in the kitchen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Everyday Kenya. Today I'm going to make something good. It's called roast chicken with potatoes and carrots. Very simple. Kwa hivyo, let's go through the ingredients. I have 1.2 kg chicken. I've removed skin. I have 1 cup mala yogurt, plain you can use. I have cream. This is 2 or 3 tablespoons. Hii umeona nimeka hapa. I'm going to blend. This is red and green capsicum. We call it HoHo. Some few dhanyas, some big onions, an inch of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 green chili. All of these I'm going to put in paste. This is like a small capsicum I've cut in strips. This is 2 onions. I have 100 ml cooking oil, 1 large carrot, and 6 medium viazi. I have my spices. This is 1 tablespoon chumvi, we call it salt. This is paprika, half teaspoon. This is black pepper, half teaspoon. This cumin, 1 teaspoon full, and just half. Pamoja. Remember, this is marinate, ndio to marinate chicken yetu. And my cream. So I have combined everything. Usiblend kitu moja moja. This is my paste. Blend kila kitu. So I'm going to marinate my chicken. Just going to pour it. And I'm going to use my hands. Unaisugua vizuri kabisa. You make sure every piece of your chicken is coated with this paste. Yani make sure iko ndani. That's why I make a lot. heat and cook it without cover. So the water will a bit dry. It has been 7 minutes. My food is ready. You see, sina maji mingi. I like it like that. If you don't like, you can dry more. But mine, it's like that. I'm going to switch off my gas. As I always say, when your food is ready, cover it and chill and wait for 10 minutes. Then you can serve and eat. Food, very nice. I have served it. My people are eating, enjoying. If you try this, comment hapo chini. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much for watching out my video. See you next time, episode 9. Stay tuned.